Hi lovelies, it's NANAANG here, back with another video. Well, today is going to be short and sweet, and it's going to be a nail removal. Y'all, I tried a new peel-off base. I tried a new wonderful peel-off base from Bling Galleria. A new to me company. But it is a peel-off base that is HEMA, HPMA free, TPO free. And now we're gonna find out what it's like to remove these nails and if it does any damage. So if you like that kind of thing, stick around. We're about to pull these nails right off. All right, so the theory is you're just supposed to be able to pop them right off. And I put these on my last week's live, which was 7 days ago, okay? And then on my live last night, this one popped off. But good news, it did not do any damage whatsoever to my nail. I have very thin nails, so I have to be really careful. How I applied the peel-off base was I did very minimal nail prep. I pushed my cuticle back, I buffed it a little bit, and called her good, okay? Because I want these to pop off. It really surprised me that they've lasted this long, because I thought they would start popping off day 3 or 4, but they have not. They have hung on. I noticed a couple of days ago, a couple of them are getting loose at the cuticle, so I knew it was time to take them off. But so far, I have a great impression of this new peel-off base. And then I just went in with my 3-in-1 nail prep before I applied a layer of the peel base and cured it. And then I put on the tips with my favorite Melody Susie nail glue, which is also HEMA, HPMA, and TPO free. I put the tips on with that and then did the design. So we are going to try to pop these babies off and see what happens. I do have my cuticle oil handy in case we get stuck. We can put a little in there, but let's just try her out. So I'm just trying to loosen it up gently. Gently. I don't want to put any force on these or force anything on my underside of my nail. Okay, that one's sticking pretty good. Like I said, I'm not going to force anything. Because I do not want any damage to my nail. So I'm going slowly and carefully. And there she came. All right, let me check out my nail. Okay, it looks like it left a little bit of the peel base on the top, but as far as damage to my nail, I do not see any at this point. Okay, on to the next. Okay, that loosened up pretty well. So I just want to loosen up the side. And there she comes. And it left that peel base on there. See that flapping around there? Oh, so far so good. Okay. Pinkies can sometimes be a problem. I like the idea of having a peel base that you don't have to use a remover with. And I'm sure if you put some cuticle oil on your nails before this peel base, they would pop off even easier. Okay, that one may have taken a little bit of nail with it. I don't see a lot though. A few little specks. All right, to my thumb. This is always my problem child. Oh, that's just gonna pop off. Wow. Okay. Bam. No damage. No nail fragments. Okay, so that was super easy. Ooh, I'm loving it. Okay, I am going to remove this hand off camera. I'm gonna buff this peel base off. I'm gonna put my cuticle oil on, and I'm gonna come back to you and show you what my nails look like under this peel base. So far, so good. Okay, on to the next hand. Well, y'all, goodbye ice cream nails. Aw, so sad to see you go. But hello, nice, healthy, undamaged nails underneath that Bling Galleria Peel-Off Base Coat. This is not sponsored in any way, but I'm telling you what, if you're looking for a peel-off base, you need to check them out. You need to check them out. I ordered this directly from Bling Galleria website. And one of my friends that I know of, if you have a coupon code for Bling Galleria, put it down in the comments. But I believe Erica nailed it. Erica nailed it. Has one. I think it's Erica10. But make sure to check out her channel and use her discount code. Go get you some of this peel base. Go get you some of their awesome rubber bases. Everything from Bling Galleria is HEMA and TPO free, and I'm liking what I've used so far. Okay, I call that a success. Nice job, Bling Galleria. And for all of you, make sure to check down in my description box for some coupon codes to save you some money. I'm live every single Wednesday and a new video or two each and every week. If you have not subscribed to my channel and like what you're seeing, oh, please do so. We're trying to grow around here, and I'd love to have you in the family. Until next time, lovelies. Love ya, Nana Ange.